My name is Cyril Clément. I am the Ecomotion French sales manager. I've been involved in mechanical engineering for over 25 years now. I've been working with EPCO for 22 years, 12 as a sales engineer in the center of France, and then the last 10 years as a sales manager for France and French-speaking Switzerland. The application I'm going to show you was built and developed by SICAD. SICAD is a French company designing and building production line for the main cosmetic manufacturer. For now 3 years, they largely base their design on the XTS and GFX technology. It was originally a way to differentiate their proposal from competition, taking benefit of the flexibility of this technology. This application here is a recent example of a system we have completed for the cosmetic giant named L'Oréal. Both filling and sealing are carried out in a single continuous production line. A mechanically linked system in this application would have limited the throughput, as every carriage has to stop and wait for the longest process around the circuit. L'Oréal set the strategic goal to make the company's production equipment more agile. The global trend for an increase in individualization and smallest production quantities present challenges, especially in a growing industry. The goal of the new equipment was to make the overall production process independent of a machine rigid cycle. Based on a novel pass with a circumferential length of 22 meters and 40 movers, this new system is the heart of the production line. The filling process includes 6 work steps: infeed of the bottle, filling, adding dispersion pump, adding caps, labeling, and unloading the completed product. All these safe stations are arranged along the track. A key benefit of the XTS is the individual control of the movers. Each mover is able to stop for as long as it takes to perform the operation and then carry its bottle forward to the next process step. This allows to achieve different process time on the same line. The 5 old machines are now merged on a single agile system. Through this integration and the compact design of the GFX, the system footprint was reduced by 30%. In combination with an increased throughput of the system, the format changeover is also hugely reduced. A single line can now produce lot size from few hundreds to millions of pieces, as well as 7 different product formats. Now this production line is running for nearly a year. SICAD is at the forefront for cosmetic flexible line. Following that successful application, they placed other orders for longer and more complex GFX for other worldwide famous companies in cosmetics.